Yo, what is up, guys? Serg exclusive here. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys why you guys are not getting any sales with your affiliate marketing business or any type of business that actually is through online. Because most of the reasons why you guys are not getting consistent sales or getting one sale every once in a while is because you guys. I'm gonna show you guys all into that video today. But it's basically more for affiliate marketing. So yeah, stick tuned, and yeah, if you guys haven't done it yet, subscribe and like this video before we get started, and yeah, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and like this video, and comment down below if you guys have any questions, and I will get back to you guys. Yeah, let's get started with the video. So why you guys are not getting any sales is always the number one factor of starting affiliate marketing or any type of business, or you guys are not getting any consistent sales. The reason is that you guys are not building your email list. That's the number one reason why you guys are not getting that are not getting any sales, is because you guys are not building a list. Alright, before I got started with affiliate marketing, I wanted to get consistent sales. I wanted to know what's going on with this affiliate marketing thing. So I started doing research, and I started doing affiliate marketing. But the number one thing I did not do is collect emails over time. I just started getting sales every once in a while, so forth and so forth. I was just getting sales every once a month or twice a month, so forth. But I wasn't getting consistent sales, okay, because I wasn't collecting emails. I was wasting money on ads. I was wasting this and that to drive traffic to my website, but I did not drive traffic to create an email list. So that's where I messed up, and that's why a lot of people give up with affiliate marketing or any kind of online business, because they don't know what they're doing. They don't know what they're doing wrong, and this and that. But that's one of the main reasons why you guys are not making any sales, or are not doing good, are not doing the thing the right way. Okay. So yeah, do not spend a lot of money on ads if you guys are just gonna send them straight to the offer. Because you guys are just throwing money in the trash. Because that's what I did when I first started, and that's one of my mistakes that I thought, bam, I was gonna make money. Nope, wrong. Didn't work out. I did get sales, like one, two, but I was spending like $300 a week and so forth and so forth, and it wasn't working out. So the reason why you guys need to collect email is because that is your business. Collecting emails. A lot of big companies like Amazon, Walmart, Nike, they collect emails, and they retarget them. They send them emails every once in a while, and they send them to their link to their websites, to a discount code or any type of things. But they collect their emails, and that's the email list is pretty important when it comes to online business, especially in the online space. So I'm gonna show you guys a quick diagram of how you guys are gonna collect the emails and how it should actually play out. And this is with free traffic, where you guys could actually start with free traffic. 3 free traffic sources that I think is one of the best traffic sources to get started, especially today. So I'm gonna show you guys what you guys in. So I'm gonna show you what's in my computer. So this is how it looks, guys. You start with the YouTube traffic, Pinterest, TikTok. All these 3 traffics. I use TikTok. YouTube Shorts, they have it. Pinterest, they're doing their own kind of TikTok way, and it's actually getting it's getting pushed out a lot, and you guys can actually build an audience like that too. So but yeah, if you guys do TikTok, just do all that stuff, and And yeah, this is how you guys are supposed to do it. Okay, um, collect the opt-in form. Okay, put an opt-in form. Create a website where you guys can actually do that. A landing page, whatever. Simple. Just a two-page simple landing page talking about what you guys are gonna offer them. Offer them a free book. Offer them a free guidance, a free video or whatever, a free knowledge video, stuff, something like that. And then after you guys collect the email, it's gonna go to your email sequence, your automated autoresponders. You guys could do get response, Aweber, and so forth and so forth. But yeah, just do the opt-in form, collect an email, and then send them to the thank you page. Okay, always send them to the thank you page. Don't just send them to the offer right then and there. A lot of people do that, but I suggest not to do that. I feel like you get more conversions when you send them to a thank you page, and then send them all, give them a little information more about the product or what you guys gave them, and then send them to the offer that you guys want to promote. And a simple thank you page, and then the offer. Okay, a lot of people think that you guys are gonna make money off the offer, but no, you guys are not gonna make a lot of money through the offer. You guys actually make the most money when you guys collect the email. So the email right here is like, email one. You keep sending them to the offer, and after the 5th day, if they don't purchase, I suggest just to cut that offer and then just keep going with different offer, but send them through the email. Okay, do 5 days. That's the most I suggest you guys do it for 5 days, and that's it. Just send them to the offer for 5 days, and it doesn't work out, send them to a different offer, and then just keep repeating it, and so forth and so forth. And some people will buy once in a while, but not all the time. But yeah, but I don't want you guys doing this. Just sending them straight to the offer, because you guys are not gonna make money like that. Okay, if you guys want to build a profitable online business, I suggest you guys do it the way I'm telling you guys to do it. Create an opt-in form, and then create a thank you page, and then send them straight to the offer. You guys don't want to be doing the email. You guys don't want to just send them to the offer. That's a no-brainer that you guys are actually not gonna make money with that. So yeah, that's one of the reasons why you guys are not making any money, is just because you guys are not collecting emails. And yeah, you guys are not collecting emails. That's why you guys are not making any sales with affiliate marketing. That's the number one thing you guys need to focus on, is collecting emails. That's why you just stick with one offer. It doesn't have to be an expensive for them to be an expensive high ticket offer in the beginning. You guys could actually promote your high ticket items in the back end. That's why collecting emails, just keep, because with people, they gotta see your things 7 times. Okay, so they gotta see your name 7 times to actually buy something. So you guys don't want to be doing just traffic and then straight to the offer. It's not gonna work like that. Okay, but yeah, this is how you guys actually have to do it. Opt-in form, thank you page, and then offer it to collect the emails, so you guys can actually make money with affiliate marketing or any type of actual business. You guys could. You always gotta build that email list, because that's what I wish I knew before all this. I wish I knew why I needed to collect emails. That's why it's the most important thing in your online business, is collecting that email. So yeah, guys, that's one of the reasons why you guys are not making any sales. Oh shit. So yeah, guys, that's one of the reasons why you guys are not making any sales, because of you guys are not collecting emails. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Hopefully you guys get a lot of knowledge and see why you guys are not making any money with affiliate marketing, or why you guys are not getting any sales with affiliate marketing. So yeah, guys, hopefully this video helped you guys out. If it did, hit that like button. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be posting frequently. I still don't have a schedule how I'm gonna be posting, but I've been really busy. I've been doing all this for so forth and so forth. But yeah, just subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that notification bell so you guys could know when I post. And yeah, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.